Everyone check your audio and video settings, please, everyone. Advanced Java 414 Servlet. Servlet features. What is today's date, guys? 25th, 2022. Yeah, Servlet features, Rav. Actually, people should learn this before launching Servlet programming, but I wantedly discuss this after seeing 1-2 applications of Servlet. Yeah. Servlet is portable, guys. Portable, powerful. Powerful, secured. Servlet is what? Secured. Next, secured, efficient. Efficient. Portable, powerful, secured, efficient. Efficient. Next one. What are the other words we can use for that, guys? Integratable. 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 Next. Resource intensive. Resource intensive. Resource intensive. Resource intensive. Extensible. Extensible. Resource insensitive, extensible, and excel. Got it, boss? Portable, guys. What do you mean by portable? Tell me. What do you mean by portable? What do you mean by portable TV? The TV that can be moved from one place to another place easily, right? The TV that can be moved from one place to another place easily is called portable, right? Portable TV. Okay, tell me. The way we write servlet component is makes servlet classes portable from one server to another server or not? Portable from one server to another server. What do you say, guys? Portable from one server to another server. Got it, guys? Okay, guys. We develop servlet component as a Java class using Servlet API interfaces. Using Servlet API interfaces and classes, which are common for Okay. Which are common for all the servers. All the web servers are application servers. That means we don't use anything specific to we don't use anything specific to vendor. We don't use anything specific to vendor. Got it, guys? Specific to vendor. So this makes servlet components and servlet components based web applications as VADA. As VADA. As VADA. VADA means what, guys? Write once, deploy anywhere. Write once, deploy anywhere. Okay. Yeah, write once, deploy anywhere. That means portable. Portable components are applications. Portable components are applications. Write once, deploy anywhere. Write once, deploy anywhere. Okay. W guys, D guys, anywhere. Portable components are applications. So, that's what we are. The web application we developed in Tomcat server can be moved to another server or not? The servlet component running in Tomcat web server can be moved to another web server like web server or application server like tell me Jetty, Wildfly and X. Jetty, Wildfly and X. And etc. Can be moved to another web server or application server like Jetty, Wildfly, and etc. Got it, my dear? Okay. This makes servlet components as VADA components. VADA components are portable components. VADA components are portable components. Next, guys. The web applications running in Tomcat server can be moved to another web server or application server. Application server like Jetty, Wildfly, Okay, WebLogic and Excel. Tell me, guys, tell me, guys, web applications as the portable applications or VADA applications. Write once, deploy anywhere application. VADA applications. Convinced guys? Getting my point here, guys. So that is portable, guys. Shall we go for powerful? Shall we go for powerful, guys? Yeah, let us start understanding what is powerful. Yeah, Servlet technology provides all the features that are required to develop modern web application. So this makes Servlet technology as powerful technology. Array, in fact, all Java-based frameworks are built on the top of Servlet JSP technology because they are strong and powerful technologies. Because they are strong and powerful technology. I hope you convinced it, guys. They are strong and powerful technologies. Come on, guys, everyone. Okay. Servlet technology provides all the features that are required to develop latest current trend applications. Latest current trend web applications. Latest current trend application with all the required and necessary features. All the required and necessary features. Comfortable, guys? Got the clarity, boss? Comfortable, I guess. Understanding my statement, guys. Required and necessary features. Required and necessary features. Cool, guys. Got the clarity. In fact, all the latest web application frameworks in Java. Web application frameworks in Java like struts, JSF, and etc. Spring MVC or Spring Boot MVC and etc. are given based on Servlet JSP technologies. Servlet JSP technology. So we can say Servlet technology is powerful technology. Yes or no? No? Powerful. What's the next feature, guys? Secure. What's the next feature? Secure. Okay. Tell me, guys, how can you say Servlet is secured, guys? How can you say Servlet is secured? Yeah. We can execute Servlet component through .class file, through its bytecode. through its bytecode, nothing but dot class. Through its bytecode, nothing but dot class. Everyone getting my point, guys? Come on. We can execute servlet component through its bytecode, nothing but dot class. That means no need of exposing or giving because of no need of exposing or giving servlet component source code to server or container. Server or container. No need of exposing or giving servlet component source code to server or container. Next one, guys. Yeah. If anyone tries to tamper the dot class file of servlet component, then servlet components execution will fail. Servlet components execution will fail. Got it, guys? Servlet components execution will fail. Super, guys. Execution fail means errors will come, Rabab. We keep servlet components source code and bytecode in the private area of the web application. What, guys? Private area of the deployed web application. Deployed web application. Tell me, guys. So no outsider or outside request. No outsider or outside request. Understanding me? No outsider or outside request. Ankit Kumar, can you stop writing my messages as it is, boss? No outsider or outside request can come to servlet component without having permission from servlet container or web server. Without having permission from servlet container or web server, guys. Convinced, guys? Without having permission from servlet container and web server. Okay. Convinced, guys? Everyone got the clarity, boss? Come on. Okay. So in that way, it is secured or not? We have a protection for source code or not? This gives protection for the source code and byte code. of the servlet component. Source code or byte code of the servlet component. Without having can come to servlet component without having permission from servlet container or this. Okay. Yeah. Array hackers are hacking now. They may not be Java technology websites. They may be other technology website. Got it? Next, efficient loss. Efficient. 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 By using servlet technology or servlet technology based frameworks. Technology based frameworks. We can develop the Java web applications efficiently. That means we can put more features. We can put more features as needed. We can put more features as needed. We can put more features as needed. Come on. Okay. Without giving much trouble to the program. Much trouble to the programmers. Without giving much troubles to the programmers. Convinced, guys? Okay, guys. It provides lots of predefined APIs. It provides lots of predefined APIs. Nothing but classes, interfaces, enums, and annotations. It provides lots of predefined APIs to simplify the process of servlet components based web application development. Understanding? Are efficient guy means what, guys? You joined in a company said that you are an efficient guy. That means once some work is given to you, you will do that work with less time and with the best output. Yes or no, na? Then you will be called as efficient person or not. People can rely on it, right? Okay. We can rely on servlet technology. We can rely on servlet technology. What, guys? We can rely on servlet technology features. We can rely on servlet technology feature to develop the can rely on Servlet technology features to develop the efficient web applications. To develop the required web applications. And we can rely on it to develop the required web application. Yeah, this makes what, guys? Okay, efficient, integratable. Tell me, integration is what, guys? Integratable. Integratable. Yeah, tell me, guys. Not only we can use Servlet technology features, boss, we can also use other technology features while developing other API features, third-party features. Come on, while developing Servlet application, Servlet-based Java web application. Understanding? Okay, we can use collection API features. We can use Java Zoom API feature for file uploading and downloading activity. We can use IO streams. We can use reflection API. We can use collection framework. We can use a networking API, right? Okay. We can use JDBC API for database interaction. We can use Java Mail API for sending email messages to deal with mail operations, right, boss? So Servlet need not to be used alone, Ra Babu. Servlet technology can be used by having integration with what? Other technologies and other APIs. By having integration with what? Other technologies and other APIs. Got it? By having integration with other technologies and other APIs. Convinced, my dear? Integratable. Tell me, what is integratable, guys? While developing Servlet components, not only we can use Servlet API. Not only we can use Servlet API. We can also use, tell me, guys. Not only we can use Servlet API. We can also use other Java JWE technology, Java JWE technologies API, and can use lots of third-party APIs, third-party Java APIs, third-party Java APIs. Can use lots of third-party Java APIs. We can use third-party Java APIs. Understanding my statement, guys? Lots of third-party Java APIs. Lots of third-party Java APIs in the development of Servlet components-based web application. In the development of Servlet components-based web application. Getting my point here, guys? Are you with me, boss? in the development of servlet components based web application. Okay, now listen. Okay. We can place JDBC API code in servlet component to make them talking to database software. We can place Java mail API code in servlet component to make them performing mailing operations. What do you mean by mailing operations, guys? Send mail, receive mail, delete mail, and X. Java mail API, boss. Java mail API code. Okay. We can use Java lang APIs. Java language APIs like collections, IO streams, and etc. in servlet components. Yeah, don't you think all these are integratable, guys? Integratable, guys. Integratable. Next one, resource intense. Resource intense. One more thing, inexpensive. Resource intensive. What is that? Resource intensive. Yeah. What do you mean by resource intensive, boss? What do you mean by resource intensive? Speak out, guys. Speak out. Array. Servlet components are thread-based. That means they use less CPU time. Servlet component, for servlet component, only one object will be created for all the requests. That means less memory will be utilized, right? So that means resources are used very, very less now, boss. One object means less memory is used, less CPU time is used. And thread-based programming always what? Gives better speed compared to process-based programming, right, boss? Because threads are what? Lightweight sub-processes. And context switching between threads always takes less time compared to context switching between processes. Compared to context switching between processes. Got it? Compared to context switching between processes. What do you say, guys? Servlet container. Okay. Servlet container creates threads representing requests. Representing requests. Servlet container creates threads representing requests on the web component. On the representing request on the servlet component. Servlet component, that too by creating single object for servlet component class. That too by creating what? Single object for servlet component class. This multiple threads creation and single object creation uses less memory and less CPU time. Uses less memory and less CPU time. Comfortable, guys? Less memory and less CPU time. That means it is using the resources very, very less and effectively. Very, very less and effective. Got it, guys? Yes, boss. Next one, resource instance. Extensible, guys. Yeah, tell me, guys, extensible. Extensible. Can you tell me what do you mean by extensible? Servlet API is designed in such a fashion, boss. Servlet API is designed in such a fashion. Today, latest protocol, best protocol in web application development and execution is HTTP. So we have a provision to develop a servlet component by extending from HTTP servlet. Servlet API hierarchy is designed in such a fashion. Tomorrow, if some other protocol is become popular, some other concept has come very fastly. So we can also, they will provide one more predefined class extending from a generic servlet, and we develop our servlet component extending from that predefined servlet. For example, today HTTP is not doing well, some other protocol is doing well. So then what they will do? They will give one predefined class extending from generic servlet class. And we develop our servlet component extending from that predefined class or not. So indirectly what? Same technology is now useful for other protocol-based servlet components development or not? For other protocol-based servlet components development or not? Say something, boss. Getting clarity or not? Servlet technology API is designed in such a fashion. Okay. We can such a fashion. It can be used. It can be used to develop the servlet component. Develop the servlet component by extending from develop the servlet component based on any latest protocol of web application execution. Web application execution. For example, HTTP servlet is given as the subclass of generic servlet, as the subclass of generic servlet class. That means generic class. That means our servlet component can be developed based on protocol HTTP features. By making that class extending from what is that? HTTP servlet class. Okay. If the protocol HTTP is replaced by another protocol like WebSocket protocol. Another protocol like WebSocket protocol. Another protocol like what? WebSocket protocol. Then, understanding my statement, guys? WebSocket protocol or something else. Understanding my statement? Or something else. Then the Servlet API gives WebSocket class as the subclass of generic servlet. And programmer can develop servlet component class by extending from WebSocket class. Everyone got the clarity, was understanding my statement? Convinced, my dear? Everyone understood my statement by extending it from WebSocket class. By simply literally extending it from WebSocket class. Cool na, guys? Super cool. Got the super clarity here. Extensible, boss. Don't think that it will survive as long as HTTP protocol is great. Tomorrow some other protocol is great, no problem. If some other protocol is great, no problem. Next one, guys, inexpensive. Yeah, servlet technology is open technology or free? Open technology, free technology or paid technology, boss? Servlet technology is open or free technology, right, boss? Open or free technology. Next, servlet technology base, servlet container, web server or application server or Servlet container, web server, or application server. Come on, guys. Or application server. The servlet technology based servlet container, web server, or application server. Come on, guys. Or free or open software. Softwares, most of the times. Most of the times. So, to use, okay, servlet technology and its servlet container oblique web server, there is no need of doing any payment. There is no need of doing any payment. Okay, there's no need of doing any payment. So that means we just need to arrange. Just need to arrange developer charges. Developer charges. Okay, to develop the Java-based web applications. Technology free. Technology-based server is free, and only developer is commercial fellow. Okay, this makes what, guys? This makes servlet components based web application development as the inexpensive. Got it, guys? Okay. Developer salary is more. It's not like that. That depends upon your skill. They will pay salary. If you have a half knowledge, it's less salary. If you have a more knowledge, more salary. I hope. Sir, actually, I supposed to teach all these things before launching Servlet, but I'm wantedly teaching after launching Servlet so that you will be connected to this. So that you will connected to these features, right, boss? Now you can feel better. You can feel better than earlier one. Okay, because we have seen what is coding and all this stuff, right? Procedure to redevelop the MyMapp web application. MyMapp web application in Eclipse JWE IDE. I think everyone is ready with Eclipse IDE. I hope everyone is ready with Eclipse IDE. Flavors of Eclipse IDE. Yeah. Standard Eclipse, guys. B. Okay. Next one. JWE Eclipse. Actually, SDK Eclipse. This is called Standard Development Kit. SDK. That's a minimum Eclipse. Only for standalone application. Standalone applications, web applications, not R. For standalone applications, web applications, tell me, distributed applications, and etc. For all kinds of application, it can be used. It can be used for all kind of, and JWE is good. JWE is good. I think everyone knows how to install it. Download Eclipse JWE as a zip file or RAR file from internet. Okay. Extract it and use eclipse.exe file. Use what? Eclipse.exe file to launch the Eclipse ID. Launch the Eclipse ID. So super guys. Simply launch the Eclipse ID. Super means super. Okay. Which we have to install SDK or JWE. After telling web application, distributed application, Ravi Kumar, why are you asking this kind of silly question, Babu? I said we can use it for developing what? Standalone applications, web application, distributed applications or not. Okay. Use eclipse.exe file to launch Eclipse ID. To simply launch Eclipse ID. Got it, boss? For standalone SDK. Yeah, from which website we have to download? From which website we have to download? Eclipse. Eclipse JWE download. Eclipse JWE download. Eclipse JWE download. This is the latest version. No? 4.25 is the latest version. Understanding? This is the latest version. Yeah, here is the option. Eclipse JWE version. Super boss. Eclipse JWE version. Super cool na guys. If you have old one, you can use them. If you have 1-2 years old one, you can use it. Not a problem. If you have 1-2 years old one, you can use it. Not an issue. Step number 1. Launch Eclipse IDE and choose the workspace folder. Choose the workspace folder. The folder where projects will be saved. The folder where the projects will be saved. The folder where projects will be saved. There is some folder, don't worry. No, I'll choose one. E drive, guys. Workspaces, guys. E drive, guys. Workspaces. Advanced Java, guys. NTAJ 414, guys. This is my workspace. This is my workspace. Say launch. Say continue. Yeah, workspace. Anything, anywhere you can check. Workspace. That is step number. What is step number 2, guys? Yeah. Configure Tomcat server with Tomcat 10.x server with Eclipse ID. See, guys, once we go to Eclipse, guys, using Eclipse only we deploy the application to Tomcat server. Using Eclipse only when we run the application, we do everything through Eclipse only. We do everything through Eclipse only. Got my point? Configure Tomcat 10.x server with Eclipse ID. Yes. Okay. Let's see that. How to do that. Yeah. Window menu. Window menu. Preferences. Preferences. Server. Runtime environment. Add. Apache. Tomcat 10. Say next. Next. Browse and select Tomcat 10. Browse and select Tomcat 10 installation for it. Okay. Browse and select Tomcat 10 installation. Save finish. Apply and close. Next one, guys. Window menu. Preferences. Window menu preferences. Server, guys. Runtime environment, guys. Add, guys. Select Apache. Tomcat 10.x. Apache Tomcat 10.x. Tomcat 10.x. Name Apache 10. Installation folder of the Tomcat. Installation folder of the Tomcat. Apply. Okay. Apply. Okay. Okay. Next was step number 3. Add Tomcat server to the servers tab. To the server tab. Add Tomcat server to the server tab. Click on it. Here is my Tomcat. Say next. Array, we can use old one also, not an issue. Tomcat server is coming here or not? Okay, guys, delete it. Delete. Okay. Server tab, guys. Click here to add the server. Click here to add the server. Come on. Click here to add the server. Click here to add the server. Understanding my statement? Click here to add the server. Click here to add the server. Select Apache Tomcat X. Apache Tomcat X. Everyone getting my point, guys? Say it out. Yeah, next one. Step number 4. Create dynamic web application project in Eclipse ID. You will get one directory structure, guys. That directory structure is not official deployment directory structure. When we run that application, come on, guys, the real deployment directory structure will be created. When we run that application, the real deployment directory structure will be created. Getting my point, guys? So that's why you cannot say this is directory structure. Create dynamic web application project in Eclipse ID. Check it out. File menu, new dynamic web project. File menu, new dynamic web project. Tell me. Dynamic web project. After that, what next, guys? After that, what next? After that, what next? Name of the project. MyMapp application. Yeah, this is the server setup, guys. Okay, see, already Tomcat is configured. That's why it is reflecting there. Say next. Say next. I need web.xml. Finish. Yeah, one project is created here or not. One project is created here or not. File menu, new dynamic web project. Dynamic web project. Then project. This is required. Even this is required. This is required. And then tell me, guys, what is this? Next. Next. Finish. Next, finish. Okay, I think after 2 next, select web.xml, guys. Select web.xml. Then finish. Select web.xml, then finish. Okay, boss. Is not Amazon content logo, right? Dynamic web project, that is. Web.xml, this one. In file, dynamic web project is not available. That means you are using Eclipse SDK. You have to use Eclipse JW, then it will come. Yeah, listen, boss. Java resources. Yeah, this is the directory structure, boss. This is the directory structure we are having. Understand the directory structure. Step number 5. Okay. Fine. Yeah, I'm managing to take the class, don't worry. Understand the generated directory structure. The generated directory structure of the application. $7,000 guys paste. 7,000 guys paste. Okay. This folder is there now, boss. To place the packages and source code. Packages and source code of Java. Package and source code files of Java. Indirectly servlet components. We will be placing there. This web app is there now, boss. Web app. Yeah, web app. And in one Eclipse, we can create any number of workspaces. So for every batch you are attending, for every course you are attending, try to take separate workspace. Then confusion will not be there, right? For Spring, one workspace, for Advanced Java, one workspace, for Hibernate, one workspace, so that every projects will be there in a separate folder. The content placed in src/main/web app folder is to public area of the web application. Deployment directory structure. Deployment directory structure. Public area of the web applications deployment directory structure. Understanding my statement? Okay. So, now listen, this is very important. Note. The above directory structure is not deployment directory structure. The above directory structure is not the above directory structure is not deployment directory structure of Java web application. Yes, boss. Java web application. The above directory structure is not a deployment directory structure of Java web application. Are you with me, guys? Are you understanding my statement, guys? Suparna? Deployment directory structure of Java web application. This is directory structure given for okay, Eclipse IDE users. Eclipse IDE users. Yeah. When we run this application, the real deployment directory structure will be created dynamic. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. The Java classes placed in src/main/java folder. src/main/java folder goes to src/main/java folder goes to web-inf/classes as the compiled code. Understanding my statement? Okay. Next, the files placed in web app folder goes to public area of the web application. Nothing but outside of web-inf. Next, the content placed in web-inf folder. src/main/webapp/web-inf folder. The content placed in src, including web.xml file, goes to tell me. Including web.xml file goes to, come on, guys. Including web.xml file goes to including web.xml file goes to web-inf folder of the generated deployment of the deployment directory structure.
deployment directory structure. Cool, guys. Got the clarity, guys. Come on. Everyone comfortable, boss? Understanding my statement? So this is for our purpose. This is not real deployment directory structure. This is purely for our reference. Got it? Tomorrow when we meet, we'll develop remaining steps, guys, and we'll complete the web application development. Still a lot of things are there.